In today's video, I'm going to teach you Shopify Liquid in 100 seconds. We'll start right inside your Shopify admin. Head to your sales channel settings and open Online Store. From there, go to Themes. This is where your live theme and any drafts live. For safety, it's a good idea to duplicate your theme and work on the copy so you can experiment without affecting customers. Once you're set, open the theme editor by choosing Customize. That brings up the visual editor with a live preview on the right and the section's sidebar on the left. Now, we're going to add a place to write Liquid without touching theme files. In the section sidebar, look for the option to add a section or block, then select Custom Liquid. This is a built-in section in most Online Store 2.0 themes. Once it appears on the page, click it to highlight the settings. You'll see a code box where you can type or paste your Liquid. Liquid is Shopify's templating language, letting you blend HTML with dynamic data like product titles, prices, or your shop name. For example, you might output the store name, loop through featured products, or conditionally show a message based on a setting. Keep it simple at first. Even a small snippet can be powerful. With your code in place, click Save. Always save often so you don't lose changes. You can toggle the section's visibility to preview how the page looks with and without it. If you want to reuse custom Liquid on another page or template, stay in the editor and use the template picker at the top to switch to that page or product template. In the sidebar, search for Custom Liquid again, add it, and then type your new snippet in the code box. This lets you tailor Liquid to specific parts of your store without editing theme files directly. When you're happy, click Save again to publish those changes to the theme you're customizing. When you're finished, exit the editor to return to your theme list. If you were working in a draft, you can preview your changes or publish the draft when you're ready. A few quick tips as you wrap up. Test on multiple templates to ensure your Liquid renders as expected. Keep your code focused so it doesn't slow down the page. And when in doubt, add comments in your snippet to remind yourself what each part does. That's it. Fast, flexible, and safe customization using Shopify's custom Liquid section.